Hey guys, in this video, going to be showing you how you can share your Netflix account so that multiple people can access it. So what you need is to provide your email as well as your password to your Netflix account. And if you're going to be sharing this with people who you maybe don't want to necessarily give a password that you use for really important accounts that are associated with your email, maybe just use a more generic password in that instance. But when you have the email and password, just click sign in, whether you're on the desktop version of Netflix over at netflix.com or you're using the Netflix app on a phone or a streaming device. When you click sign in, enter in that email as well as password, and then have it remember you so you don't have to always ask that person for their email and password if you forget it or misplace. If you had written it down, probably a good idea to click the remember me option and then click sign in. And then usually, if it's the first time that you're signing in to a Netflix account, it will take you to this page to select which profile that you want to use. So if you're sharing this, you probably want to select a different profile than the other people that are on the account so that you can more cater the experience to what you prefer watching. So go down and click add profile and enter in a name. Let's call this person Jim, and then we'll click continue. So then now that is a separate profile. You can select that and get to your viewing at that point in time. But before jumping in and start viewing content on Netflix, they like you to choose a few different shows that you might be interested in watching. And the reason they do this is because it allows them to start recommending programs that you might be interested in based on what you select initially. And then click continue. And then it will personalize that particular profile based on the selections that you had made. And now you can start viewing at this point in the process. Now, there's 3 different layers of Netflix subscriptions. And the different options that Netflix currently has is the basic plan, which only allows you to stream on one screen at the same time. So if you have the basic plan, you probably don't want to share out your account because if someone else is using it, then you won't be able to watch, or they'll have to stop watching for you to be able to watch your subscription. Now, if you have the standard plan, you can watch on 2 screens at the same time or up to 2 screens. But really, if you have the premium plan, that's going to be the best case in this instance to share an account because it's going to be watchable on 4 screens at the same time. That one's $15.99 a month as opposed to the standard that's $12.99 a month, and the basic that is $8.99 a month. But that's how you go about sharing a Netflix account. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.